Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach you how to use Pictori in just few minutes. Before we start, if you want to have some creator pack, you can check the description down below. So let's start. First of all, when you log into Pictori, have you signed up, and you can see there are four main functions: script to video, article to video, edit video using text, and also visual to video. Basically, for the most common use is using script to video, and I will go through one by one. So we will start with script to video, and you can start typing your script here. Besides, you also can use chat support to just make your own draft. I will use ChatGPT to help me to summarize a short script so that I can generate into video. So after that, you can just paste it and also leave a title. So after that, you can just proceed. You can use any AI tool to help you to draft the script, as it is more convenient and also fast. You can just ask the requirement from ChatGPT. For example, I asked to make a 100-word script for an adventure into the jungle story. So basically, it will help to generate. If you want to generate more specified, you can just type more details in the AI message prompt. So after that, they will help you to generate from text to video visual. And it have done creating a video for us. So we will try it out. So basically, they will put in some screen and also the text into the video. And if you want to change the visual to a more specified visual, you can press the left dot visual tab. And in this tab, you can just choose your visual. For example, you want to choose this one, more darker jungle, you can just choose it. And also you can adjust for the background music. You can apply background music into your videos, and also you can also put voiceover into your video. For example, you want to put this voice by every female by AI voiceover, you can just
The
press
only
it
thing to do with good advice is to
and apply. It will basically apply into your video. Next, you'll have your text. In this text, you can choose the text style, the animation of the text, and also you can also add more text into your video. Besides, you also can add more elements such as sticker, GIF, emoji in your video. You can edit your video screen by screen, and you also can trim and also do other setting on your video. So basically, this is how we can generate from text script into video. You can add more elements using the banner column at the left side. After that, you can just download your video. So for the next function, we will have article to video. Basically, you can just take article and also to video, and it will extract the most highlighted important script. So I have just text Wikipedia. After you see Pictori will help me to extract the highlighted search result, and it will summarize based on scene. And using this scene, they will provide scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5 as a key point. You can just proceed it next and make the video scene as just now. So basically, you can convert the text script from Wikipedia or even other website article. You can convert it into a video. So next we'll have our video using text. So you can just take any video, maybe from your previous video that you want to edit and make you highlight using text. I will take an example. So basically you can just proceed it, and after that you'll come to this panel. In this panel they will help you to first have, basically for the caption, they will self-generate caption out based on your video. For example, let me into the PE ratio. This is my past video and it helped me to auto-generate caption into your video. Besides, you also can change for the style, the text style and other elements based on what you need for the video. So basically for this function, you can just have auto-generate caption in your video without editing anything on your video. And for the last function, we'll have visual to videos. Basically this, you can compile image, multiple image into video. So I have just used for example. After you have highlight your example photo, you can just proceed. And you'll come to a video tab, text to video tab, as you can see. So basically you will have 4 scenes. They will help you to generate into a video. You can have a better video using your picture. This is for example only, and you also can change for the others requirement based on the left panel. You can change the visual, audio, style, text, and even the format. You can change this format into a long form or even short form video. So you can see. So basically you can add more elements into the video and also download it out and generate into a video. So basically that's all for today's pictorial tutorial. Thank you.